Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here, and we're ready to go. Who do we have first in the chat? We have got Tim first in the chat. Tim. Dark Bro, Tim, Suzuki, Kombu, Kenbro, Johnny Quest, man. Suzuki. We've got Tim, Michael Allen. What's going on, Mr. Michael Allen? Dark Bro, Kenbro, Dark Bro, Bender, Kalido, Dark Bro, Suzuki, Gorilla, Tim, Michael. Man, it feels good to say that, Mike. Roulette Wheel, Christian, Roulette Wheel, Dark Bro, Suzuki, Outdoor Smile, Michael, Kenbro, Frank, Dark Bro, Tim, Suzuki, Kenbro, Suzuki, Dark Bro, Tim, Suzuki, Kombu, Roulette Wheel, Dark Bro, Kenbro, Dark Bro, Suzuki, Michael Allen with a super chat, Honorarium Moon. Pfft, dang. Kombu, Suze, Tim, rest of the bros. No fist bump, man. Fist bump. I don't know. We got Kalido, we got Kombu, Suzuki, Outdoor, Kenbro, Kalido, JD, Shaybro, Kalido, all of you guys. Look at that Shaybro name. That's what I'm talking about right there. Heck yeah. Copy my YouTube name like I did your email when I was 6 years old, and I love it. Shaybro. We got Kalido, Christian, Outdoor. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here. Let's check out the market and see what's going on. Oh my goodness. Honorarium. Sitting at 6,000 points per coin. Dang, man. Honorarium. Somebody call the police back up to a $626,000 market cap. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Guys, let's check the market out, see what's happening so far today. AMC finishing the day at $4.66. Shiba Inu coin, 973 points per coin. GameStop sitting at $13.49 at the close. Bitcoin, $51,920. Had a beautiful afternoon rally. Bottom left to upper right, did nothing but go up. Seems to be curling back over right now. Watch out. Still a very, very, very strong uptrend for Bitcoin with volatility kicking up today. So just be aware that the volatility is increasing, but nonetheless, the price looks great. $52,000 per coin. NASDAQ sitting at 0.92% lower on the day after actually rebounding nicely off 15,508, closing the day at 15,630. Dogecoin, 8.5 cents. Ethereum, 29.73. Shib, at 9.73. Bitcoin, 51,900. The SPY, 496. QQQ, 427. Mullen Auto, 803. Dude, it was weird. I had something hit my tongue at the same time that sound came off, and I was like, am I tasting sounds now? Netflix, 575. Highcroft Mining, 205. MPW, 361. Tesla sitting at $193. Amazon, 167. And Apple, 181. Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Say it with me. Honorarium. This is just a taste of what's coming. Honorarium Paul Chain will melt faces. Dude, I don't want my face to melt, man. But, you know, I was actually thinking about that a couple days ago. What happened if my face would melt? You know? Like, if you were to get, like, severely burned or something and your face did melt, man. Life still goes on. So even if Honorarium does melt my face, it's going to be okay. We're still going to be here. You guys, listen, I'm not going to go, like, Dark Bro mode where I put a hood up. Does this have a hood? Yeah, where I put a hood up. And all of a sudden, you guys just see, like, black shadow in here. Nah, dude, we're going to embrace it. We would embrace it, like, you know, Two-Face from Batman, man. We would totally embrace it. You guys would have to deal with it. And, yeah, sorry for you. I don't have to look at it. You do. But nonetheless, what do we got going on in the chat right now? Oh, no, first, we got Bitcoin back down there. 52. Dude, Bitcoin, listen, every time I say Bitcoin is going to show some weakness, it's just mad strength that pops up on Bitcoin. Don't doubt Bitcoin. Let me just put it that way. Don't doubt Bitcoin, dude. Well, at the end of the live stream, Bitcoin might be sitting at 55,000 for all I know. We're up to 249 honorarium holders. Dang, dude, 249 holders, man. Hey, let's put it this way, okay? Coin market cap, definitely. I don't know if these bros are going to be around to stay, okay? I don't know if the bros are going to be around to stay holding honorarium, but I will say this. The coin market cap listing clearly, in terms of market capitalization acquired, was worth $5,000, right? 100 plus new holders. You're sitting at $600,000 market cap instead of a $100,000 market cap. It was clearly worth it. Now, will they hold? I do not know. Based on the price, based on the chart, I mean, I'd say there's a pretty good chance that they hold. There hasn't been any massive profit taking. The price hasn't been swinging that wildly or anything. So, I think there's a chance that they hold, man. I don't know. Outdoor Smile. We just tricked Dad into thinking he was about to make an OnlyFans video. He was absolutely on board. Dude, people are losing it, man. People are losing it. So, Bender Brover. Yes, Bender Brover, man. That's what we got. Hi, Clay. Do you think Leash was wash traded? Down as quick as it went up. Yes. Craig. I'll pull up Leash real quick. But, I mean, you can go look at the video earlier this morning if you want from the live stream. I will say this, and I don't know, so this might not be fair to say, but I have a bad, Leash doesn't spike up like that, okay? Leash doesn't get that type of volume, and Leash doesn't get that type of volatility. I really do think that there's a chance that was the ecosystem team trading Leash, buying and then selling and so on. Now, I'm not going to go through. I don't have the time to do it. You guys probably don't have the time to do it. I'm honestly not going to go through and check all these transactions and look at the blockchain and see where the money came from. But I would imagine it was the ecosystem team pumping Leash in order to excite people about the Shiboshi's NFT project, right? Leash holders have priority access. They say, well, you need to buy your Leash in order to have priority access to claim those NFTs. Well, dude, if they spike the price of Leash up, they're going to think that more and more and more people want these Shiboshi NFTs. And then, of course, seeing how it's right back down, it doesn't seem as though it was legitimate purchases. So let's take a look at that if we can real quick. You get Bone right here. Bone jumping up a little bit to 60 cents and back down a little bit to 61 cents right now after touching 63. But take a look at Leash, right? Leash is still up 16% on the day, which is a very nice gain. But this type of volume, to me, doesn't seem natural. A 400% increase in the volume of Leash. A just massive rocket higher in price. And if you're looking at the year, dude, immediately spiking up to levels that we haven't seen in several months on Leash, going from $250 to near $350 per coin. The last time it saw action like this was around the Shibarium release. So Shibarium coming out in August of 2023. And of course the price of Leash going from levels around $240 up to $600 per coin. They're probably trying to get the same type of hype surrounding this Shiboshi release. That's my best guess, man. And that is just a guess, right? It does shed some negative light on the ecosystem team that may not be just if they're not doing that. I just find it very strange that Leash is pumping like that on crazy volume there. Man, oh man, oh man. We have got Honorarium looking pretty solid. A couple sell orders coming through. 200 is a rather big one. $16, $7 and so on. People taking some profits. People moving some money around. 240 plus holders on Honorarium. Looking solid right now, Dark Bro. Very, very cool, man. Let's see. I was burned really bad from an IED. Good plastic surgeon and skin grafts. I almost look normal. Hey, Tim, man. Yeah, I'll say this, dude. I'll say this, right? Looking normal, right? I don't know what looking normal is. People do put a lot of emphasis on looks and so on. But, dude, if you've had something go on in your life, like Tim, man, burned pretty bad from an IED, I'm telling you right now, man, you've got to embrace it, right? You've got to embrace who you are. And yes, your outside doesn't determine who you are, but dude, you gotta live with it, man. So you might as well live with it in a positive light. Buy Honorarium instead. Listen to Dark Bro. We're gonna check out Node AI GPU this stream. Bender. I mean, we can check it out. Sure. Let's look at it. Node AI. Thanks, Craig. Absolutely, man. Sup, bros and broettes? What's going on? Bigable. Lunk. Leonardo. We can take a look at Lunk as well. First, Node AI. N-O-D-E. Yeah, A. Do we have one? Is Node AI a coin? Bender. I don't know. What are we looking at here? Be a little bit more specific on how I can find what you're looking. Oh, Dex tools. Okay. Oh, here you go. GPU! Node AI on the Ethereum network coming out 2 months ago. It's got a score of 99, man, which is really good, so. Holy smokes. Now, I don't know why this was doing 0 volume for so long here, and then all of a sudden began to trade. But yeah, man, look at this. This one's looking even better. Honorarium is still looking very good. But this made it to a $4 million market cap. That's what I want to see for Honorarium. So a couple of days ago, going from lows, 4 zeros and an 88. Dude, think about it. 4 zeros and an 88 is the low right here. Okay? 4 zeros and a 6 is the low on this day right here. February 11th, 4 zeros and a 6. That is the exact same price as Honorarium right now. 4 zeros and a 6. Look where Node AI is today. 4 cents. Now, they've got a much lower supply than Honorarium does. But dude, look at that price action. 4 zeros and a 6. A couple days later, 4 cents. Could you just imagine? Could you just imagine if Honorarium ran from the 4 zeros and a 6 to 4 cents? Like Node AI is sitting at right now. It's actually a very nice graph. Yeah, Bender, man, looks pretty good to me. Don't send any more to the burn wallet on Binance. That's something I want to tell everyone. It does not actually reduce from the circulating supply. Don't do it then. Why is Shib not going up? Richard, well, you know what? Let's see if we can find this, Richard. No. All right, let's see Shib here. Shiba Inu. My goodness, that's a lot of money in the liquidity pool. All right, so let's see what we got here. 5 zeros and a 965 right now. Shiba Inu coin clearly doing okay over the last couple of weeks here, but it might be curling back over. Why is Shib not going up? Number one, Bitcoin is not necessarily breaking through its recent resistance levels, but Bitcoin's outperforming Shiba Inu coin right now, so it does beg the question. One of the reasons we are not seeing Shiba Inu coin go up, and this is not pulling from all exchanges, but one of the reasons we're not seeing Shiba Inu coin go up, look at this, $83,000 in buys. Looking at this liquidity pool, which is probably on Shiba, yeah, it's on Shiba Swap here, okay? Shiba Swap clearly not doing the majority of the volume. The majority of the volume is, I would imagine, coming from Binance. Let's see. Majority of the volume on Shiba Inu coin is coming from Binance. Yeah. $68 million. My gosh, dude, almost $69 million coming on Binance there. But take a look at it, right? And this is probably indicative of the overall price performance or the overall buys and sells. But $83,000 in buys, $132,000 in sells. Therefore, the price of Shiba Inu coin is not moving higher. The price of Shiba Inu coin is actually moving lower. And dude, look at these guys trading Shiba Inu coin out on Shiba Swap. They're trading some large amounts, dude. You go over and look at Honorarium, right? And you see $5, $8, $300, $30. Dude, 2600, 8400, 2600, 2900, 3900, 6700, 1200, 2400, 7500, 2400. Like, these guys are trading big amounts, man. These guys aren't messing around here. $12,000. All right. Well, look, if you guys wanted to know what a Shiba Inu coin whale was, $12,000, roughly that 1 billion Shib level, makes you a Shiba Inu coin whale according to Dex Tools. So, let's see if we get any more whale transactions out there. $13,000 would definitely be a whale transaction. $13,000 whale transaction. All right, I don't see any more whales. Oh, there's one. 10,000. All right. So yes, $10,000 plus dollars, 1 billion plus Shiba Inu coin makes you a whale according to Dex Tools. Very, very nice to see. But I know we guys were discussing that over the last couple of days there. You can hate the man, but the man can move merch. 75 million people can't be wrong. Dang it, man. I wish I could move merch to 75 million people. Every metric they say they required. I know I missed something, Dark Bro. Oh, also, another update. I did submit for a CoinGecko listing as well during the break, so hopefully we will get listed on there as well. They should not have any problem with doing it now that we have beat every metric they say they required. Dark Bro, I absolutely hope that it gets listed on CoinMarketCap as well, man. Thoughts on the potential double top for the SPY? Maurice, let's take a look at it. Are you talking on a daily chart? Because people have been talking about this on a daily chart, and I'm just under the impression that that's what you're looking at here. So let's take a look. All right, potential double top on the SPY right here. Absolutely. Okay? Now, I do want to say, though, it's still in an uptrend. So even though it may have double topped, even though, well, let's just put your horizontal line here first. So, this is the double top. Let's look at it big. This is the double top that we're talking about. Tapping this level around 500, falling down. Tapping this level around 500, falling down. It absolutely could be setting up a double top. But I want to point out, look back here, okay? Same thing could have been said right here. Double top, tapping, falling down, tapping, falling down. And then just decided in one stinking day to break right through it. Now, with that being said, a couple other things you need to look at. You might have that double top going on right here, so do exercise some caution. But you're still above this moving average. Well, the 13-period moving average. You're still above the 48-period moving average. The 13-period moving average is well above the 48-period moving average. Both of these moving averages are still increasing as opposed to decreasing. And if you throw your ascending trend line on there, you are still bullish in terms of this ascending trend line that has been taking place over the last, 2 months. Okay? Tapping these higher highs in this channel to the upside. It's almost a perfect ascending channel. And tapping these lower highs in the ascending channel on the downside there. So it has been almost a perfect, just parallel channel to the upside. And honestly, you can extend it even further, man. You can extend it all the way down here to these lows. And of course, you can extend this line, but I mean, it's not as great, I don't think. So it widens your range out a little bit if you do decide to extend this one. But yeah, man, I don't know. It could be double topping for sure. All right. Come off the screen. Thank you. Let's clean that up a little bit. So yeah, it could definitely be double topping right here, but still got very, very large bullish signs in terms of ascending trend lines and so on. All the false promises from the dev team. It's actually crazy the amount of false promises, dude. If I sat here and lied to you guys like they lied about everything, or even if I just sat here and was like, oh yeah, well, it's gonna happen tomorrow. Dude, that would be no different than Dark Bro coming out. Remember Friday? Everybody's like, oh yeah, Dark Bro saying, we're gonna get listed in 24 to 48 hours. This is awesome. And then what if the weekend went by? And I get it, like President's Day and everything, Honorarium getting listed this morning. It didn't seem as though they were really concerned with listing coins over the weekend, which is fine. Okay, so it exceeded the 48 hours, but I think that's CoinMarketCap's problem. So getting listed this morning, dude, what if today came and went? And then tomorrow came and went? And the next day came and went? And people were saying, Dark, what the heck are you talking? What's going on here, man? You said 24 to 48 hours and still no honorarium listing. What are you doing? And he just said, soon. And then he started saying, well, CoinMarketCap listing might not be is important. It might just be a bonus. And then he started saying, stop asking about the CoinMarketCap listing. You're going to get blocked. Dude, that's the equivalent of what the ecosystem team is doing. But instead of doing it with a $700,000 market cap coin, they're doing it with a $7 billion market cap coin. It's insane, man. Oh, man. Let's see here. Hey, bros, I'm thinking about taking my Pepe and swapping with Honorarium. Clay, what do you think about the deal? Yankee. So let's take a look at Pepe right now. Without looking at Pepe right now, okay, I think that Honorarium, because it is so much smaller, it has more potential, yes, but it's not as liquid, so you got to remember that. And it might have more like reward potential because it's currently rising. I don't believe that Pepe is currently rising. So freshly listed on CoinMarketCap, it's getting a lot of attention right now. The volume is still very low. Relatively smaller market cap, $700,000 compared to Pepe's probably $500 million. So let's take a look real quick and see where Pepe is. But I mean, Honorarium most likely, man, going to be higher risk, higher reward right now because it is so small and it's going to be more volatile than Pepe. Pepe, 1181 points per coin, dang, I was right on with that market cap. A $500 million market cap in Pepe. And over the last 7 days, it is up slightly. Over the last month, it's up okay. And over the last year, though, really having trouble either breaking back up above this 16 point per coin level of resistance, but finding a lot of support in the 1,000 point per coin, or 1 point per coin, or 10 point per coin, whatever you're looking at it as, level of support. So Pepe, yes, it is on people's radars. Clearly doing $135 million a day in volume. I would say at this point is probably your safer bet because it's been around. It's setting up very nice levels of support. And it is a much larger coin. But, dude, there's no denying that Honorarium has been performing phenomenally today. And is just, I mean, it's still, if the bros hold, dude, this line's not going to go back down. If the bros sell, it's going to go back down, absolutely. But, yeah, man, I mean, this is just wild right here. And if more people know about it, if more people jump in, if it starts to burn some zeros, if it begins to trend anywhere, dude, if it begins trending anywhere, it might get even more volume. Let's see. I screwed up, BBC. I sold Jasmine. I didn't believe in it. Sold it a long time ago. It's all right, Giovanni. It's all right. You've had other plays that have been doing very well. Honorarium to $7 billion. Dude, if Honorarium hits a $7 billion market cap, I probably won't be holding it at that point. I'm just going to let you know. I don't think I'm going to hold Honorarium to a $7 billion market cap. But if I did, and it was there, we would be doing very well in that case. You'd probably see a big red candle, and I apologize in advance. If I forget about my Honorarium, and then one day it hits a $7 billion market cap, probably going to see a pretty big red candle. And I'm not going to apologize for it then, but I'll apologize for it now. Let's see here. Jeffrey says, Clay, did you see the video of Levi Fire Token going? No, so Jeffrey, man, I didn't see that. I didn't watch the video, but it's Kai. Kai was talking about it on Twitter yesterday. Very strange, man. Very strange. We looked at Fire Token this morning, dude. It's not doing so well. So I guess we'll just let actions speak for themselves, and we'll let the numbers speak for themselves. But it doesn't look too good, man. Doesn't look too good. Is he saying anything that I need to know about? Keep the $1 million and wait and see if anything ever happens. Maybe I'll get $100. Bender, we talking about a different... What are you talking about? Honorarium? What are we talking about here? I think Pepe's already ran, so no sorry. Sorry for asking. It should happen about 8 p.m. to 8:30 Oklahoma time tonight. Yankee, man. I think Yankee might be coming in with a buy tonight, guys. Paul Chan around the corner. Zeros will be erased. Ow, ow, ow. Nice, man. Hey, I hope so, Dark Bro. I really hope so. I'm not selling my honorarium. Yeah, I'm not selling my honorarium yet either. I don't know, man. Like I say, I'm not one of those whales that's on the top of the page. I am an honorarium, absolutely. I didn't dip my toe in. I dipped my foot in. And I feel good about it, man. I feel good about it. The bros are doing really well right now. Those 3 lines right there are absolutely incredible. But I will say this. I truly have no intentions of, just taking my profit on honorarium or trading honorarium. I'd rather buy it. I'd rather hold it. I'd rather simply just support Dark Bro with it. And if it goes back down to 0, it goes back down to 0, man. Hope that it doesn't. But, if it does, it does. I wrote it up. I'll write it right back down. But I promise you, dude, if it goes up to $100 million market cap, at that point, we're still bros, Dark Bro, but we're going to be making some money at those levels, dude. We're going to be making some money at those levels. And you guys can't get mad at me if I start shaving at those levels there. I wouldn't get mad at you either. Clay, have you ever watched Coin Bureau? Lots of good information on all types of coins. Tell you the history and where it's going. You know what, Giovanni? No. I've never watched any of those videos, but I have seen, plenty of his thumbnails and stuff. So, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I've watched his videos or not, but I have seen him. So, I've just never watched him. Let's see. I'm proud to say I hold no Shib or any ecosystem tokens. I did not waste my Ethereum on the whatever scam. Shiboshi, Scamboshis, wake up, cut your loss, eat some crow, and move on. It probably free you up if you do, Tim, especially if you go grab some honorarium. Thinking about trading Celestia when it hits $20. What you think? Giovanni, if it's hitting 20, right, and Bitcoin is falling, okay, and Celestia begins falling, at that point, right. I do think that Celestia can go higher, but I don't think that it's really going to buck the overall market trend, okay? So I don't think that you're going to see Bitcoin falling back down to $45,000, $40,000, and somehow Celestia is going to be ripping up to $30. So I would still base that on what the overall market is doing, man. If Bitcoin's curling and Celestia begins to curl, I'd say that, you're doing okay to take some profits or close out your position or however you want to look at it. I do, however, long-term think, though, that you're going to see more than the $2 to $3 billion market cap that it's currently sitting at. Honorary Ribbon. Brian, it's looking good, man. Looking good. If people see the potential for honorarium, it could go crazy. It really could, man. And I hope they do. Let's see where Bitcoin is at right now. That's not Bitcoin. That's the SPY. Yeah, man. Bitcoin's still sitting at 52,100. So, right back up, dude. Right back up. Getting ready to test intraday highs. Intraday highs were at 53 this morning. Oh, crap, dude. If it tests intraday highs, it's going to be busting a recent high. So, getting ready to test intraday levels of resistance around this 52.2 level. If it breaks out of that, though, man, yes, very quickly, it could be back up to $53,000 per coin. And essentially, if it breaks out, you're touching $55,000 a coin. So Bitcoin showing nothing but strength. Dude, this is so cool. Heard about it all here first. Now I'm a community member and along for the ride. Very nice, Brian. It's been fun to be a part of Honorarium. Even the learning experience really is good, Michael. The learning experience is excellent. Everything that goes into making a coin, everything that goes into getting listed on all these different places, the learning experience is, dude, you're not going to learn that much if you go take a college course on blockchain creation or token creation. So, yeah, we've learned a lot here about creating tokens. Sold 1 billion Shib for a $100 profit at 1,100 points per coin. When's the last time Shib hit 1,100 points per coin? December? Did it hit it in December? Nope, 1050. Oh, that was January. Yeah. December, man. Around Christmas time. Right here. It's right around Christmas time that it hit 1,100 points per coin. But that's where it tapped and fell. Tapped that level and fell right back down. Oh, you know what this was on? This was on all the excitement surrounding the burns. When they were burning from the Shiba Inu coin, the Shiba Inu coin that was being accumulated because of Shibarium. That's why the price of Shib was going up here. And they were burning. And I think they had 1 or 2 burns by this period here. And people very, very excited about it, right? And then they went and hard forked the blockchain. And then the fees for the accumulations went from literally $100,000 a day back down to $2 every 1,000 years. So they made some very bad decisions here. And of course that caused the price of Shiba Inu coin to absolutely dump off. Which is where it's at right now. So, yep, back at the end of December is last time you had prices around 1,000 points per coin. Let's see. I did not know, Giovanni, I didn't do anything. So I went to the store and then went over and helped my dad and my sister with a house that's getting ready to go up for sale in between the lives, and then came right back here. So I didn't read anything on it, man. I learned it is best to buy in early and not 2 months later. Roulette wheel. It's true, man. It's true. You're still taking that risk, though. Buying in 2 months later, you're still taking a risk, and you're still taking a risk when you're buying in early. Brian, like I told him earlier, honorarium Paul will melt faces. I sure hope it does, dude. Let's see. Remember, you don't need to buy me a Ferrari. I'm the one who wants a Hellcat. There you go. Big Bull. I'll take either one, honestly. I'll take either one. Beta test netlit is launching for Paul this week. Clay, big time things coming. You know what, Brian? If I like beta test nets, but the main net release is where it's at. So hopefully they don't beta test for months and months and months. Hopefully they're able to get something out there. And yes, dude, hopefully we do have some big time things coming for all of the Paul Chain, right? All of the Paul Chain community out there. We are doing things that have never been done before, and we will solve real problems. Dark Bro, I hope so, man. Clay, what do you think about the names instead of wallet addresses? Well, Yankee, I think that's fine, right? I do. But I don't think, so, you can do that with Ethereum and so on. And I think that is completely fine if you want your wallet to be named. Now, I understand it's still a screen name and so on, but I don't mind at all the wallet addresses just being those extremely long numbers and letter combinations. I really don't mind that at all. What I don't like about the names instead of wallet addresses is that the ecosystem team is essentially selling you a domain name that you're probably never going to get. Why do I say that? Because no cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, none of these other cryptocurrencies have achieved top-level domain names like .com, .net, and so on. I truly believe it's kind of silly to think that the Shiba Inu coin community, or the Shiba Inu coin, let's put it this way, the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team is going to be able to accomplish that. And one of the reasons I'm so skeptical of it is instead of going out there and contracting a, actual top-level domain company in getting that top-tier domain, they go out and they hire and partner with D3, a startup who's never accomplished that before and probably only has 1 or 2 guys working there. So I don't like the fact that they're selling you domain names that you'll probably never get. You're essentially reserving the name and most likely not going to see it on a .shib domain. I had a feeling that the devs would screw the burn. Got while the getting was good. Shib trading advice: buy at 700, sell at 1,000. Totally financial advice, dude. It has bounced back and forth between 700 and 1,000 points per coin several times, and there is nothing wrong with a 50% gain. So Tim, man, you might be on to it. Hoping for the mainnet in 4 to 6 weeks after audits come back clean. Always fixes and improvements during audits. Yeah, and that's not too bad of a time frame, man. 4 to 6 weeks. The ecosystem team for Shib would make that 4 to 6 years. Honorarium mod team in place. Scammers beware. Jump in where you're not wanted and get the boot. Just saw a blip on X, so take it with a grain of salt. Oh, I know I missed something, Biggable, man. Sorry about that. Let's talk about XTZ. I think it will blow up in the bull run of 2025. Let's see what XTZ is doing. I don't know XTZ. Dang, man. Honorarium looking pretty good. It's $66.40 right now. $687,000 market cap. Ow, ow, ow. I like it, man. Oh! Brian Searing. Thank you very much for the super chat. Brian says, bullish vibes, Clay. This is definitely going to be the best year ever. Dude, I truly am. Look, man, I've been having a very good year so far, okay? Not just in terms of crypto going up and so on, but it's been a very good year so far. And I truly do think that 2023 was amazing. 2022, 2021 were amazing. But the years just keep getting better and better. So, Brian, man, I've also got those bullish vibes going on. I think we could have one or two sort of major, 10, 20, 30% pullbacks in terms of the overall market before we finally see the exponential rally. But yeah, dude, I think that 2024 is truly going to be the best year ever, man. Brian, thank you very much for that super chat. I am just as bullish as you, my friend. Let's see here. JAD says, took a chance on Baby Troll over the weekend, put in $20 and came out quickly with $340. Nice. JD, man. And I like that you didn't go in with, $2,000, get wrecked, and then not be able to do anything else. $20 to $340. Excellent move, dude. One day, those day traders of Shib will be left behind, Tim. Buy a coin you like, and don't worry about the daily ups and downs. Dude, there's two different strategies, right? There's a buy and hold strategy. There's a trade strategy. I think it is the best reference I can make. Buying and selling, day trading, swing trading, it's very similar to driving, but weaving in and out of traffic, switching lanes. You can definitely get there faster, but it increases your risk. And you absolutely could get left behind. You absolutely could wreck yourself. Buying and holding is a tried and true strategy, especially when you're talking about overall market as opposed to just one asset. But yeah, man, they're both definite strategies that you can get involved with. What was I just going to look at, though? I was pulling this up. Yeah, dude, it does look like Ethereum's about to hit 3,000 again. Oh, XTZ. Okay. I had to scroll back up in the chat and see what we were talking about there. Oh, Tezos, man. This is an older one. This is an older one with $1 billion market cap right now. Yeah, not doing too much. Alright, yeah. I mean, it's got the potential, but this coin's been around for quite some time. So, we got coin market cap graphs going back to 2018. This isn't some new token here. But, yeah, man, all-time high market caps around 7.3 billion, currently sitting at 1 billion. Would be very nice to 7x gain or even higher on Tezos here. So, if you guys are interested in it, make sure to check it out. But, yeah, I didn't know a lot of people even... I've never traded or owned Tezos, but I didn't know a lot of people knew about that one. Can we get a Pika? Can we get Pika Red Ferrari with a horn that goes, Pikachu? Yes, we can. Biggable, yes, we can. Coming back down in the chat here, a tricycle can go more places than Ferrari. I can imagine all the videos Clay creates every day. Yeah, you know what, Roulette Wheel? The actual, with 3 videos a day, dude, the actual views are down drastically, though, this month. I think I've done like 300 and something thousand views this month, which is a lot lower than where they were the previous month, which is kind of weird, right? The overall market is doing better, but the overall views are on a slight downtrend. So to me, that says that retail and the smaller investors out there, they're still not even back in the game. They're still not even like ready to jump in. So yeah, dude, I still think there's plenty of gains left and plenty of potential left. And one of the metrics I'm using to determine that is the amount of retail views or YouTube views, I guess. The all cryptocurrency kind of YouTubers and influencers and whatever are getting right now. No one can ever make $6 billion day trading Shib like that legendary Shib holder. Roulette Wheel, and that is a fact. That is a fact. Let's see. If Shib was a heart monitor at a hospital, they'd put it on life support and notify the family. NVIDIA finally had a bad day, Clay. Took 4 years. Brian, it did, man. I saw NVIDIA earlier today down about 5%, I think. I don't know where it's at right now. Gosh, dude. Look how much strength is in Bitcoin. It's going to break this. Dude, it's going to break this 52 too, and it's going to start ripping. I don't think I've got NVIDIA on the screen here. NVDA. NVIDIA. How bad of a day did NVIDIA have? Whoa! Yeah, dude. It did have a bad day, but it's still only a 4% decline. And it's $694 per share. Dude, when NVIDIA broke 500, everybody was freaking out. Nobody even cared that it broke 600, but it did. Now it's breaking 700. Dude, NVIDIA's going to go to $1,000 a share. I mean, that's insane. Look at the dividend yield. You're getting a 16-cent dividend. Like, guys, don't pay a dividend out. Don't pay a dividend. Nobody cares about your 0.02%, 16-cent dividend on a $700 stock. They need to stop that. Counteth to 3. Not 1, not 2. 4 being way out. I know I missed something. Let's see. Indicate strong community, Dark Bro. Heck yeah. Michael Allen. What? Lobbest thou thy holy hand a grenade? Oh my gosh. I don't know what's going on. Hey, bro. You're holding aside. I think Honorarium's got a video coming. Just saying. Hard to ignore it now. Well, yeah. I don't really mind if I do a video on something I'm holding. We don't even need to put that aside, man. We don't even need to put that aside. But Honorarium definitely is doing very good, Ken Bro. This bro is covered in paint and needs a bath. Make sure to hit that like button, everyone. Have a great evening. You as well, Shay Bro. Go get covered in some more paint tomorrow. Make it happen, man. Thoughts on Caspa, the famous ones. Let's look at Caspa. I haven't looked at Caspa in quite some time. Without looking at the graph right now, I like Caspa. Caspa's probably had one of the best annual graphs and like graphs since I think July of 2022. So it has just experienced wild gains since then. So let's see where Caspa's at right now. Because I have not looked at Caspa, surprisingly, in probably like 2 weeks. Jeez, man, what? 20-cent Caspa, dude. What is going on right now? What is going on, man? Oh my gosh. Oh, Caspa cannot be beat. Dude, this is 100,000% return. Ripping through resistance at 14 cents a share. Pulling back a little bit today, just as Bitcoin pulled back off that 19-20 cent level. On the daily, you can see it a little better here. Touching 19 cents, coming back down to like 16.8, and then back up to 18. Dude, Caspa is phenomenal. I don't know if you're chasing it at these levels. I would say if you believe Bitcoin's going to break back up, get into Caspa. It'll break back up as well. But dude, if it does break back up, there's no technical resistance whatsoever on the chart. Nothing to stop it from moving up. Luca Tony, thank you very much for the, what do we have here? What do we have to get ourselves a... Luca Tony, man, thank you very much for Clay Bros Peach. Absolutely appreciate that. But even more so, I appreciate 29 months. Hey, bro. Yes, dude. Thank you very much for that, Luca Tony. Loving it right now. Jasmine, I might have a little bit of a bag. There you go, Tim. Jasmine up to 1 cent earlier. Rozzy coming in. Rozzy all excited about Jasmine. Jasmine currently sitting at, wow, dude, 1.164. It's up even further. 15% gains just from this morning, man. Jasmine sitting on a 52% daily gain. Ripping higher in value right now. I do not own any Jasmine. There's anybody in here besides Rozzy. Look at his hair. Is anybody in here besides Rozzy and maybe Tim? Hold Jasmine there, because if you do, man, you're doing so good. Caspa's trying to be honorarium. Love my Caspa bags, though. Suzuki, man, I would love it if honorarium was anything similar to Caspa. That would be perfect, dude. That'd be perfect. Nah, not enough blonde to be Clay, bro. I'm Shana from earlier. I might resemble Clay in my profile picture. Yeah, maybe a little bit too much blonde there, I guess. Quite possibly. Look at Tony, a congrats. A look at Tony, 7. Oh, congrats. Yeah, not gungrats. I don't know why I said gun. Read a lot on Smart Set token, SST, got in early, waiting for their deals in Dubai. It's very inexpensive right now. You can see their updates on X. Yes, it's a bit of a risk, but I didn't spend much. SST. Smart Set token. Let's see what we got here, Giovanni. Oh, dude, dead serious, the wild thing is, Honorarium now has a larger market cap than this coin. Ah, boo. Streamlabs is freezing up now. All right, let's go. Let's just go full Weeble for a second here. Nope, can't even go full Weeble because I can't pull up. Gosh, dude. All right, well, I'm still here. Streamlabs is lagging pathetically, so I can't pull up anything right now. Let us see if it finally starts working. There we go. There we go. I'm not clicking anything right now. I'm just going to go straight. I'm going to leave it. Big Weeble. Smart Set token. $240,000 market cap. $360 in volume right now. Hey, man, if they got some stuff going on, Giovanni, you know, you could be on to something here. Absolutely. I don't know where you would have gotten in at, but hopefully it was down around these lows, man, and you're already making a decent amount of money here. But hopefully they got something going on and they do gain in value. Yes, I put $500 in 2 days ago. I know in Jasmine? Oh, dude, you're killing it then. I didn't get in Jasmine because it sounded too girly. It's a good reason. It's a good reason. Should have sold your Shib last year, and Michael Allen, and held your Jasmine. Now that probably would have been a little bit better there. Let's see. Outdoor Spawn, did you really put 500 into Jasmine 2 days ago? Congratulations if you did, man. You're absolutely ripping. Not worried. I got into honorarium early. Heck yeah, roulette wheel. I already sent about 6 million honorarium to the dead wallet already. I think that would be around $360 in today's prices. This dude is absolutely balling, man. Roulette wheel. Very nice. Do you think Barnbridge is a dead project? Let's look at it. Kombu's smart today. Kombu usually not smart. What did Kombu say? I don't even know what he said. Oh, jeez. All right, it's Barnbridge. Let's see. Dead project with a $28 million market cap? No. $8 million in volume? No. All right, so let me say this, right? This goes back to November of 2021. $180 million market cap. You're going to 6x to get there. It has been diluted by about 50%. So 6x increase is going to take you about $19, $20 per coin. That takes you to the highs of around $37 instead of the $19, $20 price point. So it has been diluted. So I would actually expect about half the prices that you see on the chart here. But in terms of being dead, man, look, I don't like the overall graph. I don't know anybody that would like the overall graph, considering it's really only gone down for the last couple of years and not gone up. But doing $8 million a day in volume, having a $28 million market cap, I don't think they're dead unless they give up on their utility. So if it's a meme coin, okay, great. If they were supposed to be providing some sort of utility and the developer stopped or the team stopped working on it, that could contribute to the project being dead, though. Let's see. Don't send any more tokens to the dead wallet. It doesn't actually take them out of the circulating supply number. It just makes it so they can't be traded. Technically, they're burned, but it's not going to reflect on the price. This is something I just learned earlier. If you wish to burn, make a transaction instead, because the tokens will actually be destroyed and updated in the circulating supply. Oh, that would be interesting too, and then it would actually increase the volume. So essentially what Dark Bro is saying there, if instead of burning your token, because it has a 2% buy tax and a 2% sell tax on it, if you go out there, and this would actually be better too, because it's going to put money back into the liquidity pool as well. So if you, let's say you wanted to burn $1 million honorarium, okay, you could go out there, theoretically 2%, you could trade like 200 million honorarium if you have it, or buy 100 million and then sell 100 million, and then you would burn your, oh no, you burn 2 million at that point. So 50 million. You want to trade 50 million if you're going to be burning 1 million. So if you go buy 50 million and immediately sell 50 million honorarium, you're going to get taxed 1 million honorarium. No, because you're getting taxed on the buy and the sell. Do it in 25. The total is 50 million. You buy 25 million, you sell 25 million. You're going to get taxed 4% total. 2% buy, 2% sell. And that is, of course, going to burn honorarium. And it's going to add some honorarium back to the liquidity pool. So it'll be a win-win-win for everybody. You essentially, yes, burnt that amount of honorarium. But not only did you increase the volume, you actually burnt the honorarium that you wanted to burn there. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. Even with how Shib has been performing the last 3 years, it was still is doing better than my 401k. Oh, God, dude. Oh, man. Oh, your 401k, your investment company might not be doing too well there. Bought SST when it first came out because they did research on the developers. They have a lot of experience, 10 years of experience, did research on each one. Well, Giovanni, very nice, man. Very nice. Hopefully, they actually do something with SST then and make it go up, because the $240,000 market cap is very small. But, dude, you could easily 10x to just get to a $2.4 million market cap. And I don't know when they were launched or whatever the price was when they launched, but, yeah, dude, you got to be looking pretty good there. With a total 1 billion SST in existence, I hope you got 1 million at least. You got 10 million? You got 100 million. I know you do. 10% of the supply out there. Giovanni's a whale. But we're fine. Ah, dude. Farmy right back down, Tim. Right back down. What was it, last week or 2 weeks ago? Last week or 2 weeks ago, Farmy ripped up to like $5 a share after hours. Look where it's at now, man. $1.13. Absolutely insane. This is the daily chart here. Clearly, you can see if you look at the 1 hour chart that it ripped up to $5.50 per share. told you if you had Farmy, man, sell it. Sell it. Sell it. Hopefully nobody in here had Farmy, but hopefully you sold it if you did, because it's right back down, dude, testing those all-time lows. $1.13 on Farmy, another 10% loss today. All that stock does is scam their investors. That's all they do. Let's see. Lambu. Kombu got lifted. G-Wagon. Four-wheel drive squared. Michael says, Kombu not dumb again. Oh, man. I guess you got to go with the Lambo, Kombu. Hey, bro, why is BNB on the Ethereum higher in value than regular BNB? I don't know, like, logically why that would be, but I mean, just mathematically why it would be is because it's probably got like a higher ratio in the liquidity pool. So let's see if I can pull that up and take a look at it real quick. All right. So are you looking at this right here? BNB at $545 versus BNB at like $350. My best guess is that with only $93,000 in the liquidity pool, 16 Ethereum in the liquidity pool, 79 BNB in the liquidity pool, the ratio there between wrapped Ethereum and BNB is probably going to be greater than it's probably going to be a greater ratio than what you're seeing on like actual BNB on the Binance Smart Chain there. That's my best guess, Bigable. That's my best guess. I don't know what would be causing that discrepancy or what would be causing that difference. I think it's just a difference in the ratios on their liquidity pools. Capital gains tax can offset this with Shib reduction wallets burns as long as you have profits, of course. It's true, man. It's true. Oh, jeez. I can't click anything. Full Weeble. Dude, Streamlabs needs a reset or something. It's been messing up all day long today. Hey, 4:58 in my time. Suzuki making me pay attention to the clock. I like it. Honorarium, too expensive now to send 1 million honorarium. When I first started, sending it cost me $10. Now it is much higher, so I probably won't be doing that as much. Yeah, roulette wheel. It makes sense, though. If you don't want to send that or if you don't want to burn that, dude, go out there, buy some, sell some. Buy some, sell some. Just get hit with the tax because it's going to increase the volume anyway. Not showing up on my lives without searching for you, Clay. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Dabbing on them as always. Crypto Rocketeer, dude. Thank you very much for being in here. SST won't let you have more than 3% of it. Does that sound normal? Well, it does. Let me put it this way, okay? It does, when you create a coin, ask if you want to like guard against whales. So it is something that you can do. Is it normal? I don't know if that's necessarily normal to have happen, but it is an option. Anti-whale, so they don't let one wallet accumulate too much. I don't know if that's necessarily normal, Giovanni, but it is something that you can do. JB made it to the live stream. I'd rather buy more hoodies. There you go, roulette wheel. Sounds perfect to me. Guys, I know you can't see me on the screen. Can you? All right, cool. You can see me on the screen now. It is 5 o'clock, so we're going to get off here for now. I do hope that every single one of you had a great day, a great afternoon. Dark Bro, man, sincerely, congratulations. The graph on the screen is honorarium. I'm sure you guys all know it by now. Dark Bro, that is awesome to see a $670,000 market cap, man. I hope one day it's a $670 million market cap. It's not going to be easy, but hopefully days like this inspire you guys to keep working, keep building, keep marketing, and so on. Because this is a phenomenal graph to see, dude, but I do hope that you're able to take it to a multi-million, 100 million, maybe one day billion-dollar coin, dude. Kombu! Kombu! I see you! Kombu! Thank you! Thank you for the mustache! Kombu! Thank you. Kombu, man, thank you very much for the mustache, man. Appreciate all of you guys. Let's do these shout-outs. We'll be back with videos tonight. Please watch them, share them, all that stuff. Click on the links. Make sure that these guys know you guys are engaging and all of that. Kombu, man, see you later. Suzuki, have a great one. Bender, enjoy it. Night Cow, see you later, man. Tim, see you later. Suzuki, Night Cow. Ooh, we got here and it's time to leave. Will Major, enjoy your day. Biggable, see you later. Kombu. Thank you very much, Kombu. Dark Bro, see you later, man. Tim, Dark Bro, Yankee Roulette Wheel. Yankee, have a great one. Johnny Quest, man, see you later. We got J-Bones, baby. Giovanni, Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel, man. Dark Bro, Kombu. Tim, who gave honorarium? Oh my gosh. Thanks, though. I don't know who slipped it to honorarium, man, but honorarium is looking nice right now. Tim is right on that one, man. Shout out to you, Tim, and thank you very much for the super chat. Giovanni, have a great one. Yankee, Biggable, Old Rounder, Yankee, Night Cow, Biggable, Suzuki. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.